Individual fixture control offers fast, step-and-repeat installation and maximum flexibility to adjust to layout changes without rewiring. System design is as simple as counting your fixtures. Each fixture has an individual control module that is mounted to a standard 0 to 10 volt fixture in the field. They can be controlled independently and be grouped together regardless of high voltage wiring. Vive PowPaks are field installed on each fixture. Mount Pico wireless keypads in minutes without wallboxes or wires, providing local control wherever the customer needs it. Wireless occupancy and daylight sensors can be mounted anywhere without PowPaks and communicate wirelessly to the PowPak devices. An optional hub can be added to provide advanced system features such as demand response, time clock, and system integration.